How to completely uninstall Discord desktop app from Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First thing, if you have Discord open, please close it and you'll be having this arrow icon. Select here, also right-click and select Quit Discord. Now go to Search and type Control Panel. Open it here. Select Programs and Features. And here we will be having the search option. You can just search for Discord. Right-click and uninstall. So after it is uninstalled, you won't be finding it over here. Next, we need to also remove some folders, so just open your File Explorer, go to Local Disk C, and make sure that you are checking this View Hidden Items. Check this to True. And next, you need to go to Users, your system username, and here you'll be having the App Data folder. Open it. Go inside Local, and here we are having the Discord folder. Just delete this. And now just come back to App Data again. We will be having the Roaming folder. And here also we are having a folder named Discord. Delete this also. And after deleting that, just come to Search and type Discord. You'll be having this. Just select Open File Location and click on this Programs, and you can even delete this also. So now if I go and search for Discord, we won't be having it anymore, and make sure that you are emptying your recycle bin. So that's basically how we completely uninstall Discord in Windows. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.